What's going on, viewers? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best kitchen gadgets that you must have in your kitchen. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these gadgets, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first kitchen gadget we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Revolution Cooking High-Speed Smart Toaster. Next up, in our number 4 spot, we've got the Zulay Apple Corer. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Next up, in our number 2 spot, we've got the Aeakey Sponge Soap Dispenser. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Kitchen Gizmo SnapNStrain Strainer. Alright, viewers, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which kitchen gadget you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.